Day 20. Becoming repairers of the breach. And your ancient ruins shall be rebuilt. You shall raise up the foundations of many generations. You shall be called the repairer of the breach, the restorer of streets to dwell in. Isaiah 58, verse 12. Dear friend, what a privilege it is to walk together into this 20th day of the new year. As I've been reflecting on our world, a world with all its remarkable inventions and technological wonders, my heart keeps returning to a deeper longing. My longing is for more peace, for softer hearts, for genuine joy that flows from soul to soul. This is our invitation, beloved. This is our moment for rebuilding. God is calling us to be repairers, not of broken machines or crumbling buildings, but of broken hearts and fractured communities. Our moral and spiritual lives need the gentle, persistent work of restoration. And here's the beautiful truth. The whole world is watching, not with judgment, but with hope. They're waiting to see the church rise in spiritual action, and it is coming. Can you feel it stirring? I want to invite you to watch it in your own life. Better yet, pitch in your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Plant a seed of kindness. Speak a word of truth wrapped in love. Stand firm when it is easier to walk away. Remember, dear one, you're not building for yourself alone. Those who come after us, our children, our grandchildren, generations you'll never meet, they will inherit the character we cultivate today. What a sacred responsibility. What a glorious opportunity. We are here, right now, in this very moment, to build up the kingdom of God for the future. Will you stand in the gap with me? Together, we can restore the streets of accountability, places where people can dwell in safety, truth, and love. The future truly is in our hands. But here's the tender mercy. We don't carry this weight in our own strength. It's in the Lord's strength that we renew our broken world. He is the true repairer. We are simply His willing hands and feet. Today is the day to start anew. Won't you join me? With hope and encouragement, just Larry.